The best time to start print on demand and start it properly is now. And in this video, I'm going to prove to you why. I'm not biased either. I've started 7 different businesses. Some have failed and some have been wildly successful, but there has never been a better time in history to start print on demand. And it's the same reason over 8,000 people in my community are all taking this business seriously and properly starting their print on demand businesses. Right, I have broken this down into 10 reasons, plus a special bonus reason you need to stop messing about and get to work. Sorry for the tough love, but I want you to be successful, and this is the best way. The first reason, but by no means the most important, the print-on-demand industry is growing rapidly. The global print-on-demand market was valued at $4.9 billion in 2022, and it's projected to grow to $9.8 billion by 2027. That is double. That's insane growth, and starting now means you're joining an industry on the rise, and this will give you a huge competitive advantage. And who doesn't like a good competitive advantage? Am I right? So, it's time to start. Number 2, the low upfront cost of starting this business is a game changer. Most businesses can cost quite a lot to get started. I've started 7 different businesses. My most expensive was our Amazon FBA business, which cost us over $10,000 to kickstart. And the ongoing cost for laying out for products was huge. Even my photography business had huge startup costs because of the equipment that I needed to buy in order to do the work. Print on demand, on the other hand, has very low startup costs. It's not free, no. But why should it be free? It's a real business, but it's extremely low, less than $1,000, and that includes marketing, especially at the beginning. Number 3, stop exchanging your time for money. This is a very normal concept for those with a 9-to-5, and there's nothing wrong with it. For sure, it suits some people's lifestyles a bit better. However, when something happens in your life and you can't work or you need a break, it can cause a real problem. The same goes for service-based jobs like electricians, plumbers, photographers. You are exchanging your time and your expertise for money. With print on demand, you're still exchanging time, and don't get me wrong, an immense amount of time. But there is no limit to what you can earn. The more time you spend on it is only going to grow it further. Instead of lining someone else's pocket, you can line your own. There's also an element of getting sales whilst you're not working. And look, although I don't like the term passive income, and by no means do I think print on demand is passive, our most popular time of the day for sales is when we're asleep. And that's because we sell in the US and we live in the UK. So we wake up to new sales every single morning. Now, that's not passive, but it does feel pretty good to wake up in the morning to a whole load of sales. I know that I'm personally putting an insane amount of work in every single day, but that's just me. And it's nice to know that even when I take a break, the money doesn't stop dead in its tracks. Number 4, location freedom is more valuable than most people realize and could be one of the biggest perks to starting a print-on-demand business right now. Location freedom allows you to live wherever you want, work from wherever you want, and with print on demand, all you really need is an internet connection. Now, this might be a bit of a curse as well, as you might not be able to switch off. I personally find it incredibly hard going on holiday and not spending some time working. Whether I'm at the beach, the pool, or even out for the day, if I have my phone or my laptop, I'm probably doing some form of work. But that's just me. And if you can control it better and not be so addicted to your work, then location freedom becomes a huge perk. Number 5, there will never be a better time to start than right now. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time to start is right now. Stop living in regret. Stop wishing you started earlier and just flipping start. All the excuses, all the distractions, all the negative voices in your head going like this, forget them. It's time to start right now. If you don't start, you'll have a 100% chance of failing. If you do start, who knows? You're betting on yourself, and that's what you need. You have a much higher chance of success, or at least 100% chance of learning a whole lot. Number 6, scaling isn't complicated. I remember with our Amazon FBA business, we sold in the US and the UK. And boy, was that annoying to navigate with customs, shipping, packaging, customers, suppliers, all of it. It was a real nightmare. With print on demand, you can add more products, sell in more countries, and add new designs whenever you want. It doesn't cost you more, and it's not a crazily complicated process. If you've gotten to a stage of scaling, you'll know what you're doing. Getting sales won't be the issue. And you'll find scaling isn't an issue either because you've come this far. And in order to come this far, you would have learned quite a lot. Number 7, learning with print on demand. And this is one of my favorites. The more skills that you learn, the more valuable you become to yourself, to other businesses, to your peers, to potential jobs. And print on demand is an incredible way to learn about business, marketing, customer service, sales, e-commerce, and design. And the skills that you learn are invaluable and can be applied in so many other areas. The first business I started out of high school was print on demand. And it taught me so much. It gave me the skills I needed to also be able to create a successful Amazon FBA business that did over $500,000 in sales and take a software company to over $400,000 in sales. The skills are transferable. Trust me, it's incredible to have a wide variety and a range of skills. Number 8, one of the best things about print on demand is you can love what you do. Pick a niche that has potential and that you're interested in. And the reason I do print on demand to this day is because I love it. I love designing. I love when people wear my designs. I get so much enjoyment out of it. And because this is a business that you have chosen and a niche that you've chosen, you can get enjoyment out of it as well. For some, they get that same enjoyment from their 9 to 5. And to those people, I say brilliant. If you love what you do, you should give it your all. It's so important to love what you do as you spend the majority of your life working. 18 to 65 years old is spent working for most people. That's 47 years of your life. And usually when you're in your prime, you want to enjoy what you do, and you want what you do to allow you to enjoy life too. Whether that's spending time with the family, going on a holiday, buying what you want to buy, whatever it is, this all correlates back to the job that you do and how much you love it. Number 9, there's a huge and growing demand for unique apparel. People are wanting and buying personalized and limited items over mass-produced products. People feel more emotionally attached to them and enjoy wearing them and are even willing to spend more money on them. And number 10, selling internationally should cost you nothing more. Print on demand is just a type of fulfillment service. You can use it in many different countries. You don't have to limit yourself to one country. We had a lot of issues when we wanted to expand our Amazon business, as I said earlier. When you're ready to expand to other countries, you don't have to worry about logistics, warehousing, dealing with agents, or shipping companies. You just need to find a printing partner that operates out of that country you want to sell in, sync them with your store, and bosh! You now have local shipping in a totally new country. It's one of the best ways to scale, and it doesn't cost you a penny more. And the bonus one, number 11. FOMO. We all know what FOMO is. Fear of missing out. Stop watching your friends excel at work, getting those raises. Some of them building businesses. Stop dreaming and start doing. If you're interested in print on demand now, you'll be interested in it a year from now. Stop watching others succeed from the sidelines and make your way up to the plate. A year from now, do you want to be thinking, damn, I wish I started? Or do you want to be thinking, damn, I'm glad I started? Only you can decide, but get rid of that FOMO. If you want to start a print-on-demand business, then start a print-on-demand business. Simply put, what is stopping you? Remove any limiting beliefs and build the brand that you have been dreaming of. Get rid of all the voices in your head. Get rid of all the negativity surrounding what you want to do and just start. I can't wait to see how you do.